guys, what's going on today? Today we're going to put some new rims and tires on the Tacoma. Maybe throw some wheel spacers on while we're at it. See how I feel. It's like minus 12 out today, so I don't know how much I'm going to want to hang outside, but yeah, we'll get started with that. Gotta put a battery in the truck, get it started. Hasn't been running for last 2 months, so it's a Toyota, so it'll start, but we'll see. As you can see, got the rims and tires in my little car. Love hatchbacks. I mean, you could not fit this in a sedan. This is awesome. So these are rims and tires that I believe came off Second Gen Tacoma. Picked them up for like 600 bucks, and for the shape they're in, for how good the tires are, you know, I'm gonna throw them on the truck before I get something better. The initial plan was to put some Stealth Custom Series rims on here with some off-road tires, but just don't have the money right now, so I think these will work good for now. I do like the stock chrome wheels, but the tires on them are just bald. Somebody didn't get an alignment on it and just ruined the tires. I mean, the tread on the outside is actually really decent, but the truck's got to pass a salvage inspection. Alright, let's see if it starts. Problems at all. Alright, so we got the truck moved forward. I just did a video on the wheel spacers, but that's the new rims on the truck. Yeah, they don't look that great, but I don't think they look better than the old Steelies, but you know, it's gonna work for now. They have good tire on them, so get the rest of the truck all fitted out with the new rims and tires, and I'll check back in. Alright, got the new rims and tires on, and yeah, they look pretty good actually. Not as much poke as I was hoping for, since the flare pretty much eats them right up, but I think for now it's gonna work. I think the newer style rims complements the voodoo blue color of the truck. I think it gives it a more modern look. Yeah. So if you guys enjoyed the video, check the channel out and see if there's any other content you like. Alright, I'm peacing out. I'm cold. I'm gonna go inside and have some food.